In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a directory using Lovable. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll use inside the Lovable dashboard to go from a blank page to a working directory application, all by writing a clear prompt and letting the builder generate the project for you. First, open the Lovable dashboard in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice a simple, clean workspace designed around a single action, telling Lovable what you want to build. Front and center, you'll see the prompt box. This is where everything starts. Click into the prompt box to begin. The key here is to be specific and complete. The more detail you provide upfront, the more accurate the generated app will be. Instead of a short phrase, use a full description that covers the features, the structure, and the quality bar you're aiming for. Here's a strong example you can type directly into the prompt box. Create a complete directory web application, requirements, homepage with searchable directory listings, categories and filters, add, edit, and delete listings. Each listing includes a name, description, image, and contact info, a user authentication system, a responsive modern UI, an organized structure with clean code, and the project should be ready for deployment. This prompt clearly defines what the app should do, what each listing contains, how users interact with it, and the expectation that the output is production ready. After you've typed your prompt, press enter on your keyboard. That's the signal for Lovable to get to work. You'll see it start generating step by step, translating your request into an actual project. Depending on the scope of your prompt and current load, this may take a little time, so be patient and let the process finish. Avoid refreshing the page while it's building. As the generation completes, Lovable assembles the pieces you asked for. Expect a homepage that lets people search directory listings, along with categories and filters to narrow results. It will include the ability to add, edit, and delete listings, and each listing will carry the fields you specified, such as name, description, image, and contact information. You also requested a user authentication system, so the project will include that foundation. The interface will be responsive and modern, and the codebase will be organized and clean, so it's easier to understand, extend, and prepare for deployment. That's all there is to it. You went to the Lovable dashboard, used the prompt box, entered a clear, detailed request, pressed enter, and let Lovable generate your directory app. Keep your prompt specific and you'll get focused, high-quality results every time.